Hello everyone, Professor Brainius here. Thank you for joining in. Now, I want to encourage each and every one of you to keep doing your best. We're moving further into the year, further into our school semester, but it's no time to slow down now. Keep moving forward, do your best, and you know what? If you have a great attitude, a level 10 attitude, maybe that'll even be contagious and help some of your friends or classmates around you. But maybe some of your friends, their attitude's down here. Maybe they're not quite doing their best right now. But if they see you doing your best, it's going to encourage them. Imagine everyone around you doing their best with an excellent attitude. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to keep doing my best, working hard for each and every one of you. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you soon.